Hi, welcome to Quizzora.
Hello, let's play.
In this quiz, we're killing the myths. We reveal the dangerous truths about hallucination, the real AI risk, and the one high-paying job guaranteed to fade away by 2026. Get ready to have everything you think you know about AI fact-checked. Let's start the AI myth versus reality quiz. Question 1. AI systems like ChatGPT can feel genuine emotions such as sadness or joy. That's false. AI doesn't feel anything. It only imitates emotion. Question 2. AI can demonstrate creativity by generating novel art, music, and text. That one's true. It can create new content from learned patterns. Question 3. Deep learning is a type of machine learning inspired by the human brain structure. True. Neural networks mimic how our brains handle information. Question 4. An AI can only do exactly what it was explicitly programmed to do. Nope, that's false. Modern AI learns from data, not just fixed rules. Question 5. An AI can be legally held responsible for a crime it commits. Definitely false. The responsibility falls on the humans behind it. On to the next one. The singularity refers to the hypothetical moment AI surpasses human intelligence. That's true, though the idea is still highly debated. Question 7. The movie The Terminator and Skynet is a realistic prediction of the most likely AI risk. That's false. It's Hollywood fiction, not a real scenario. Question 8. AI and robotics are the exact same field of study. One can't have a robot without AI. False. Robotics builds machines. AI gives intelligence. Question 9. A prompt engineer is a person who writes code to build new AI models. That's false. They craft prompts to guide existing models. Question 10. AI can outperform humans in complex board games like Go and chess. Absolutely true. Systems like AlphaGo have beaten world champions. Let's keep rolling. AI art generators like Midjourney steal art by stitching together existing images. Nope, false. They generate new images from learned patterns. Question 12. AI can help detect credit card fraud by recognizing unusual spending behavior. True. Spotting odd patterns is a common AI application. Question 13. AI-powered cameras can identify specific objects in real time. True. Object detection is fast and reliable. Question 14. AI can generate new programming code to automate app development tasks. True. Tools like Copilot assist with real coding. Question 15. All AI models can automatically understand human emotions just by text input. False. Even advanced AI struggles with emotion. We are halfway through. Some of those answers might have shocked you, but we're not done. The next half covers the real-world dangers. AI bias, the truth about Tesla's safety reports, and the one key concept that separates a top AI researcher from a casual user. Are you ready for the reality of AI? Here's another set. AI is expected to create as many or more jobs than it displaces overall. True. New jobs emerge as others evolve. Question 17. Tesla claims its full self-driving records 9 times fewer crashes per million miles than average human drivers. According to Tesla, that's true, though still under review. Question 18. Smartphones can run powerful LLMs like Llama locally without using the cloud in 2025. True. On-device AI has advanced rapidly. Question 19. Prompt engineering will remain a high-paying job forever in AI. False. Prompts may become easier and less specialized. Question 20. AI powers personalized recommendations on YouTube and Netflix. True. Machine learning tailors what you see. Let's continue. AI learns knowledge in exactly the same way human children do. False. AI learns from data patterns, not experience. Question 22. Ethical AI always requires ongoing human supervision and oversight. True. Humans are needed to keep AI fair and accountable. Question 23. Large language models predict responses primarily based on next word probability. True. They generate text by predicting the next token. Question 24. ChatGPT knows every fact up to 2025 without any errors or gaps. False. No AI is perfect. Mistakes happen. Question 25. Open source AI models like Llama are free for anyone to download. True, though some versions require licenses. Here we go with the final stretch. AI translation tools provide real-time, near-perfect multilingual chat. True, translation systems are highly accurate today. Question 27. AI boosts worker productivity and raises wages in adopting firms. True, studies show major productivity gains. Question 28. Quantum computers make all classical AI tasks instantly obsolete. False. Quantum isn't replacing traditional AI. Question 29. AI video generators produce Hollywood-quality films without humans. False. Full storytelling still needs human input. And the final question. AI is a magical fix-all solution that solves every business problem. Definitely false. AI is powerful, but not a cure-all. Congratulations. You've successfully purged the misinformation. How did you do? Comment your score below. If you want to translate this conceptual knowledge into a high-paying job, you need to master the tools, techniques, and specific career paths we covered in this video right here to test your readiness for the 2026 job market.